Hello and welcome to Brooks Guitar Lessons. I am Bill Brooks. Today we're looking at the G major chord in the first position. Here's how it sounds. And here's how you play it. Okay, here's the close-up of the G chord. First thing you're going to do is put your first finger on the second fret of the A string. You're going to put your second finger on the third fret of the E string, and your third finger will go on the same fret. It'll go on the bottom E string, and it will sound like this. And this is the easiest chord to mute when you're, right, you can stop the ringing by putting down your second string, bring down your second finger, that is. Practice taking your fingers off, put them back down, taking your fingers off, put them back down. Okay, let's take a look at the G major chord diagram. Okay, you're going to take your first finger and put it on the second fret of the fifth string. And then take your second finger and put it on the third fret of the sixth string. And your third finger goes on the third fret of the first string. All the other strings are open. Okay, let's take a look at the G major tab notation. Alright, at the top string, the lowercase e string has a number 3 on it. That means you put a finger on the third fret. The B, G, and D strings are all going to be open. That's why they have zeros on them. The A string has a number 2. That means the finger goes down on the second fret. And the capital E has a number 3, which means a finger goes down on the third fret of that string. And of course, as always, make sure that you're not resting your fingers on other strings that are not supposed to be rested on. So make sure they're up, arched, on top of the fretboard, so that they sound like music. Keep in mind that since you're a beginner, that your fingers are going to hurt at first when you start playing, because your fingers are made of flesh, and your strings are made of metal, and metal on flesh, the metal is going to win. So you can probably only do this for like 15 minutes at a time at first, but the stronger that your calluses become, the longer that you can play. I'm also available on Facebook and Twitter at the links below. Also, leave a link in the comments. Show me how you're doing, show me your progress. Click like and share these videos with your friends who want to know more. And if you subscribe, you'll be updated on the new lessons that are coming out. I believe in you. You can do it if you keep practicing. Until next time, guitar class is dismissed.